Hello everyone, I'm Sally Villaseñor and I'm part of Forward Thinkers. Let's go, go, go!
Aloha, I'm Rose. I'm part of the Forward Thinkers. Let's make a noise, Forward Thinkers.
Hi, I'm James Sancolada of Forward Thinkers. We spot opportunities, we inspire innovation, and we push progress.
Good day, everyone. I'm Ken Kakao, and I'm a member of Forward Thinkers. Let's go, go, go!
Hello, I am Telay Echano. I am part of Forward Thinkers. Why Forward Thinkers? Because we want to see beyond what's uh, in our team and to focus on what could be done by our group Forward Thinkers.